Hey Charlie, you in Nebraska now. Yep, Miss Hannah Banana's missing her temporary cart belt now. What do you think about all this, huh, buddy? Kind of good to be out, isn't it? Yeah, it's gonna be a beautiful day. It'll be almost like home. Okay, hang on. Can you get out of it? Okay, hang on. Here we go. Ready? That's a boot scraper, little man. Gotta have a boot scraper. Now you scope it all out, buddy. I'll start therapy later today. Today you rest. And enjoy. And explore. Good job, buddy. Yep, good job. Rock and roll Doxy. Yes, you are. I think we're gonna do good.